Welcome to the Facebook fan page and YouTube channel for the Law Office of Travell Travis. Our firm focuses on the needs of pastors, entrepreneurs, and other creatives, as well as the needs of the citizens and our neighbors in the community. This video is for educational and advertising purposes and is not a substitute for consulting a licensed attorney in your state. Today I want to talk to those who are contemplating a divorce in the near future. This video is not to endorse or promote divorce. I also serve as a pastor. My job is to bring people together and help people stay together happily, married. The church hosts an annual Covenant Keepers Marriage Conference the second weekend in March. And so our intent today is not to necessarily promote or endorse or condemn anyone who seeks divorce. Even ironically, yesterday I celebrated my 12th wedding anniversary. So it's somewhat interesting to be able to share this video with you today. But understanding the realities of life and the statistics that share that around 50% of marriages end in divorce, and hopefully a pleasant trend is some statistics are showing that millennials have a lower divorce rate of previous generations. But understanding, we want to make you aware of the changes to how divorce is treated for tax purposes starting in 2019. In Virginia and many other states, there are generally two pathways to divorce. You have what is called a fault-based divorce and a no-fault divorce. Fault-based divorce, you're generally alleging adultery, abandonment, or perhaps there is some type of imprisonment because of a conviction for a felony. Also, when we discuss perhaps contested divorces where there's lingering disputes over property, financial obligations, perhaps child custody and support. And in some cases, a person may, for religious reasons, want a fault-based divorce, a declaration as to who was right and who was wrong, or an official declaration of abandonment or adultery or abuse for religious reasons that may not be for legal considerations, if you will. But also in Virginia, the more simple form of divorce is a no-fault divorce, generally uncontested, where there's a separation agreement. And under that, there's two criteria. If you have children, you've been separate and apart for a year or more. If there are no children involved, there's a separation of at least 6 months. Under the Tax Cut and Job Act of 2018, also known as the Trump tax plan, one of the biggest changes to divorce is how alimony will be treated. Under current law, a person who pays alimony could deduct that expense on their taxes, and the recipient of alimony is required to include those payments as taxable income. However, under the new law that will take place beginning in January, alimony is no longer tax deductible by the payor, and the recipient no longer has to pay taxes on it as income. Thus, if you were eligible for divorce today, this being December 31st, 2018, likely to pay alimony as a result of divorce, you may want to talk to your accountant and a divorce attorney today. You may only have a few hours left to file for divorce and be able to deduct alimony payments before the new law goes into effect. The new law, it does not go backwards or retroactive. It only impacts divorces going forward. Also, considering that it's New Year's Eve, some courts may actually be closed today. Hence, if you're already missed out, then the old saying of "it's cheaper to keep her" may actually be more true than ever before. Once again, thank you for viewing the Facebook fan page and the YouTube channel for the law office of Travell Travis. This video is not an endorsement for divorce, but is solely for educational and advertising purposes and is not a substitute for consulting an accountant or a divorce attorney in your state. Once again, on behalf of the law office of Travell Travis, I want to say God bless you, as well as Happy New Year to you and to your family.